G'day everybody, my name's Greg and welcome to another episode of Poppy's 3D Prints. Today we're going to look at the models that I printed out as per the music that's playing right now, the Smurfs. So naturally the first Smurf you got to print out is Papa Smurf. Okay, he is, as you know, 543 years old and is the king of all the Smurfs. And as usual, in all my, like all my other videos, I will put a link to all the descriptions of the models, and also at the end of this video will be the close-ups of the models itself. Right, so that's Papa Smurf. We'll put him up here.
Go Smurf yourself.
And then the next one, if you've got Papa Smurf, you've got to have Smurfette. The only female Smurf out there in Smurfland. So she's a pretty popular lady, as far as I'm concerned. And once again, that is Smurfette. Another Smurf you've got to have, I think you've got to have out the whole lot, is Hefty Smurf. Okay, complete with his tattoo. You'll love our tattoo and his weights, because he's always lifting weights, trying to look pretty good. Hefty Smurf's nice and good. These are all multi-part prints, and they all print nice and easy to get. They all go together nice and easy, and you just need to glue all the parts in, the eyes in, the eyebrows and everything else like that. But they are quite good, easy prints to do. But the next one you got to have is Baby Smurf. Now, when you print this one out, make sure that you reduce this down to about 50% if you want to keep the scale. That was, as you can see, Baby Smurf is actually quite big compared to Papa Smurf and Smurfette. And noting Smurfette is the only female Smurf out there. If she gave birth to Baby Smurf, it wouldn't have been pretty nice for her to do that, noting the size of Baby Smurf. All right, and the last person we got for you is Grumpy Smurf. And this is Grumpy. As you can see, he's always sad looking, everything else like that. Now, I do have a question for you all. What colour do Smurfs go if you choke a Smurf? Well, we're about to find out. So I'm going to choke him and see what colour he turns into. And there you go.
Yeah!
There you go. He turned green. Now we know the answer to that question. All right. Now, my granddaughters didn't actually watch Smurfs until I actually had them on TV one day. And as you know, if you've got the little happy little Smurfs going la, 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 you also need to have the villain, and that's Gargamel. And here's Gargamel right here. We won't let him see the Smurfs, otherwise he'll go off and start chasing them. So that's Gargamel, once again, multi-part print, nice and easy. And I think this actually turned out quite well. Just be careful at the top there around his tongue. That's actually the glue that's dripped down. It's not actually white on his tongue. That's just my bad gluing. But he came out quite well. Don't look at the Smurfs. All right. And if you have Gargamel, you also got to have Azrael. Can you call her?
Come on, Azrael!
Here, Azrael. All right, there's Azrael right there. Once again, she's another multi-part print, which come out quite well, and they go well together. Okay, that's all the prints I've done for the Smurfs. I'll put these two over here. Hang on. Okay, so that's all of them. Please stay tuned for a close-up of the videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next one, hooroo.